Butter in Italian. How about cheese in Italian, Chiara? Today, bye guys. Bye. English.
Italian.
English.
Italian.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Andiamo.
Andiamo.
Sweet in Italian.
Dolce. I love you, mommy.
Wow.
Love you very well, mommy.
Salty in Italian.
Salato.
Sour in Italian.
Aspro.
Aspro, guys. Spicy in Italian.
Picante.
Picante, guys. Crunchy in Italian.
Crocante.
Croccante, guys. Juicy in Italian.
Succoso.
Succoso. Butter in Italian.
Burro.
Burro, guys. How about cheese in Italian, Chiara?
Formaggio.
Formaggio, guys. So that's all for tonight. That's all for
Bye.
So
Bye,
that's all
guys.
for today.
Bye,
Bye,
guys. Thank you for
guys.
watching.
Bye.